Club Rugby Match Day commentaries on Radio Ngāti Pro are brought to you by Troy Wheeler Contracting, Te Runanga Nui o Ngāti Pro, and Mackay Cartage.
Round 3 this Saturday, and the RMP team is heading to George Napier Memorial Park, Rangitokia, for yet another doubleheader. Kicking off with the Wahine match, Waiapu versus Tokararangi at 11:30am, followed by the Tane at 2pm, Waiapu versus Waima.
Tune in to Radio Ngāti Pro this Saturday or watch it live on our RMP Facebook page. Club Rugby commentaries brought to you by Troy Wheeler Contracting, Te Runanga Nui o Ngāti Pro, and Mackay Cartage.
Let's try and make sure we're coming through there now. I'm not sure if we're coming through to our radio now. Is that coming through? All clear? Hopefully Facebook's got me as well. Apologies to our Facebook viewers. Just make sure we're coming through on that one. As it's worked forward here by Hikurangi. They take it into the Tokararangi 22, or just outside the 22, I should say. Tokararangi might have turned this over. They have. They work it out. They're 22. Back towards their 10-metre line. We'll just make sure we're coming through on every channel. Got the news going to go through now. We have to stop that on the radio. Switch to auto. So we'll have to ditch all of the newses for you. Because we're bringing in rugby tonight. As there's a penalty in the midfield here. Hikurangi just outside Tokararangi's 22-metre line. They're about 15 in from touch. They're going to tap and go here. They tap it, they come infield, and it's the number 6. Go for a run. That's Keelan, I think. Hard to tell from here. They come back to Heaney. Heaney, 5 metres out, driving at the line. Hikurangi on attack here to pick and go. That's Kahaki Ray. Or Kahaki Hoa Ray, I should say. Is it a penalty or a try? Penalty here against Tokararangi, right under the post there. They'll have to go back 5 metres. They're only 2 metres back, are they? Little knock on in there, was there? No. Free kick there off the mark, could have been. Tokararangi come away with it from their own line. They put the boot to it. It'll bounce into touch up by the Hikurangi 10-metre line. So turnover there under the post. Hikurangi had a penalty. And something happened there we can't see. It was in a bit of a huddle. But turnover there. It was Tokararangi got a free kick. They run it out of the red zone and kicked it into touch. It's a Hikurangi line-out throw. 15 in from halfway inside Tokararangi territory. They go high to Heaney at the front. Down now to Collins. Collins out to Green. Sorry, that's not Green. That's Keelan Wiley. So they set it up just outside Tokararangi's 22 now. It's there for the halfback. They need a halfback. They've got no halfback. Parata has to play halfback. Goes out now to Keelan Wiley. Throws a long pass out to the number 13. That was Kiana Ria. Down the sideline goes the winger now. Might have been a high tackle there on the left winger, Moana. They'll go back for a penalty against Tokararangi. They tap it and go. Out now to Keelan Wiley. Takes it down 15 out in front of the post. Looking for the ball to halfback. They come back out to this open side. Oh, it's bounced. I think that's Ngata Airinga Mate who's come up with it. They spin it wide. Referee's got a stoppage here. Injured player and back play. There's a stoppage in play here. Referee just showing a bit of urgency. Players down. Hopefully not too serious. So it's after 5.5 minutes. We've got a stoppage here at Kahuitara. Hopefully not too bad. Thoughts for the injured player though. Some concern being showed. And I believe it's a Tokararangi player that's down injured. No score here if you've just joined us on Te Reo Irirangi o Ngāti Porou. We're just going to take a break and we'll be back soon. Keep locked to Te Reo Irirangi o Ngāti Porou.
Simpanini. Lazy. Oh, crazy.
Test, test. Check, check, check. What's going on here? I can't hear myself. There we go. Can you hear me coming out through the radio? What about here on Facebook? Just check up. Coming back to you, bro. Tēnā tātou te whānau, te iwi, nau mai hoki mai ki Kāhui Tara mo tēnei kemu. Wainga nui te haukainga Hikurangi. I'm just going to try and just wanting to work our Facebook out. We got us, so it should be live coming through the radio and through Facebook. Injury break here at Kāhui Tara. Just waiting for the ambulance to clear the field now, and this game should be back underway. Kindly brought to you, of course, by Troy Wheeler Contracting Limited, Te Runanga Nui o Ngāti Pro and Mackay Cartage Limited. About to get this game back underway as soon as we can. Hopefully our injured lady is okay. Thankfully the ambulances are here. That's what those trained medical professionals are here for. So it shouldn't be too far away from getting this game back underway for your whānau. Hikurangi, of course, hosting Tokararangi in this round 4 women's rugby game. Just want to make sure we're coming through on our Facebook page as well as our radio. So we are now able to go live from the field, wherever we are broadcasting from. So not far away. No other games tonight, of course, just the one here today. And tomorrow, Waiapu ladies will host Ruatoria City across at George Napier Memorial Park. That game at 11:30 a.m. And then at Whakarua Park, the annual King's Birthday clash between the Ngāti Porou Kaupoi and Poverty Bay. And of course, I've seen some Facebook social media posts today. The squads have been finalised. I'll just bring up that to talk about while we're waiting for the field to be cleared. Richard Green plays his 50th first class game, and he's playing it in the sky blue jersey tomorrow. Richard Green, of course, a true blue Kaupoi. Here's your squad for Ngāti Porou Kaupoi Pōpō. Front row, Manahi Brooking, Jorian Tangaire and Perrin Manuel. Rico Takani and Jesse Rye, who will make his debut in a blue jersey. Of course, Richard Green celebrating 50 first-class games. Will Bollingford on the blind open side, Huani Tamon at the back, Sammy Parks, Carlos Kemp in at the halves, Tipene Mehan on the left wing, Api Pef and Tremaine Butler, who's making his debut in a blue jersey in the midfield. Tafal Stewart and BJ Sydney. On the bench, they have Tristan Rutene, I should say, Jaden Luia Pukia. Here's one for the ages, Tripoli Poi, Tutarangi Nāremu, Uetaha Wāno, Safin Tuwairua Brown, Hamuera Moana and Casey Wilson. Referees blown time back on here at Kāhui Tara. We are not far away from a kickoff or restart here in this round 4 women's game between Hikurangi and Tokararangi. Coming at you live, courtesy of Troy Wheeler Contracting, Te Runanga Nui o Ngāti Porou, as well as Mackay Cartage Limited, and Te Reo Irirangi o Ngāti Porou. So we're going to restart with a scrum. I believe it was Tokararangi in possession. Referee, of course, Mr. Sean Murder. He's about to get us back underway. Charlie Haua Kahaki Rei in the front row for Hikurangi, Vanessa Ngaremu, Sarah Jane Heaney, Kens Neho and Zoel Heaney, the locks, Tess Warsnop, Kara Keelan and Kimi Parata, your loose trio. Ashanti Collins, Taina Keelan Wiley, Maya Moana on the left wing, Wael Te Marama Parata and Kiana Rio in the midfield, and Te Awhina Chase on the right, and Autumn Collins on the wing. As that one there is kicked out of the Tokararangi 22 up towards the 10-metre line. Clearance out of the red zone there. Hopefully everything's coming through nice and clear, and loud and clear. Line out here, midway 10 metre 22, cross on their far side of the field. There's a line out here, as I said, it's a Hikurangi throw-in. Hopefully it's coming through. I'm just going to try and sort out why if our things are coming through Facebook. Hopefully we're coming through radio and Facebook. I've got a headset on, so I think we are. I can hear it coming through Facebook, so we'll give that one a pass. So we say we're coming through Facebook. We'll just make sure we're coming over the radio, Ata. And things should be okay as we wait for the scrum to set. It's right on the halfway now after that line-out throw. Referee's got a free kick here to Tokararangi. Hopefully coming through loud and clear channels. We've got our... That free kick now is Tokararangi work it over the halfway into Hikurangi territory. It's there. Quick ball from Mataira out now to Ngata Airinga Mate. She takes it back infield. There again as they referee says play on as Hikurangi come up with it through Wiley Keelan Wiley, I should say. Get these hyphenated surnames, they give me grief. As long as we're coming over that radio and I get the thumbs up, we should be all good. People on Facebook can see who they're looking at. There's a scrum down here, 5 metres inside Tokararangi territory. They'll have the put in. They're about 8 metres in from touch on this near side of the park here at Kahuitara. Good crowd turned up for a night game. I suppose there's not much else on a Friday night. Good to see a good crowd turn out. Thankfully, there's no rain. Referee calls the 2 forward packs in. Mataira feeds the scrum. She gives it out to Babington Ngiringiri. Babington Ngiringiri is going to take it to the line. Still going is Babington Ngiringiri. Oh, good tackle there. Stops her before the halfway. Tokararangi looking to recycle it. It's there. They come back to this near side. Good defence there from Tokararangi. Halfback looking for the ball now. It goes back to Babington Ngiringiri across on that far side of the field. She puts the boot to it. Sends it out towards the touchline. It bounces back infield. It's picked up there by the fullback. That's Collins for Hikurangi. Ref says play on as they pull it out of the ruck and go for a little run up towards the halfway here. Still there as Collins, I think that's Ashanti Collins in at halfback, gets the ball out now. It's Keelan Wiley. They keep going through the midfield. It's picked up here by a Tokararangi player though. She takes it to ground midway between the 10 metre and the 22 inside Hikurangi territory. No advantage. There's a free kick here. Play on, says the referee. Good hands there from Pahuru Hovel. Gets the pass away. It's gone forward, I think. Not 10 is the call against Hikurangi. Tokararangi on attack here. Just out inside, I think they're inside. They look inside the 22. Just inside Hikurangi's 22, right out in front of the post. There's a stoppage here. And one of the players is injured. Another injury here. It might be a blood bin. I'm just wondering why players stopped. That could be it. Some concern being shown for the Tokararangi player that's making her way to the sideline. We'll restart with a penalty though, right out in front of the post. It looks to be just inside the 22. Tokararangi penalty. Tokararangi. New player on the park. Babington Ngiringiri has the ball. They're going to tap and go, I think. She has the ball. Gives it up to Pahuru Hovel. Throws the pass out to Ngata Airinga Mate. They get away here through the number 8. Just stopped before the line. Some good defence there from Hikurangi. They drive again. It's there again for the halfback. She's digging in for the ball. What's the referee say? It's still there. It comes out now. That's the number 8. Over to Pahuru Hovel. She's taken down just short of the line. It's there again. They've got numbers out here as they come out to Babington getting it. She passes it out. They keep going out to the winger. It's gone to ground, no. Gone backwards. Play on here. It's been kicked out over the sideline by Kahaki, though. It'll be a line out here for Hikurangi. A defensive line out. Just the passes there for Tokararangi, not going to hand. So line out here, just inside Hikurangi's 22. 6-woman line out. We used to say 6-man line out, but it's not. 6-woman. Nearly caught me. I just about said it. Just waiting for a ball here. It might be harder to find the ball at night. They have problems trying to find the ball during the day at the men's games. Balls come back quite quickly. Ngarimu to throw the ball in. 6-woman line out. They go high at the front. It's taken down by Heaney to Collins. Not straight as the call. It was contested, so it'll be a free kick. Tokararangi getting a free kick off that, not straight. They are right on the 22 metre, 15 metres in from touch here. They tap and go. They give it up to the number 1. I think that's a new number 1. It's there for the playing advantage. No advantage. Ngata Airinga-Mate with the ball. Calling for a scrum. They'll set a scrum here, about 15 out from the Hikurangi line. This one here, about 16, 17 metres in from this near side of touch here at Kahuitara. So still here tonight. You can hear clearly the voices coming across the field from the other side. Ball in. It's at the back here. Number 8 looking to take it, I think. No, says the referee, they'll have it again. As I said, this one here, about 16, 17 metres in from this near side of touch. They're roughly 15 metres out from Hikurangi's goal line. An attacking scrum here for Tokararangi. They've got their backs, all bar the left winger, all lined up out to the right. Perfect opportunity here for Babington getting it to run the cutter. It's here at the back. Bit of a shunt here from Hikurangi. Gone down as it's been turned over here as Hikurangi come away with it. Might have been a knock-on in there from a Tokararangi player. Referee's playing advantage. There is no advantage. They'll come back for a knock-on from a Tokararangi player. Big shunt there from Hikurangi at scrub time. So a defensive line out here for Hikurangi. You might hear the wind having an impact on the mic. That's our sign to rug up here at the field. A little bit of a cold nor'wester blowing as that ball pops out the back. It gets given to Keelan Wiley. They put the boot to it. That's the second 5. I think that was Parata. They put the boot to it. It bounces out at the halfway. Awkward bounce there for the fullback. It's been towed ahead into the 22. Tokararangi territory. Going back there is Taniora. They're all over the top of her. She went to ground with the ball. Or on the ball. Referee's got advantage here for Hikurangi. I think no, it's Tokararangi come away with it. It's a bit hard to see across that side of the field. They go back to the far side. They look for touch here. Safely into touch across that far side of the field, just outside the Tokararangi 22. So there's a breakout play there from Hikurangi. So they went down that far side of the field. So line out coming here. Just outside Tokararangi's 22. Looks like a full line out here called by Hikurangi. Just check with my man. We're recording this, my bro? Scooter. We're recording. Ka penalty. Free kick there to Tokararangi. Tokararangi. Off that line out. They tap it here. They send it out to Babington, getting it. She's going to put the boot to it. It's a bit of space here. Collins is at the back, though. She brings it forward now up towards the halfway. That's Autumn Collins. Over the halfway, takes it to ground a couple of metres inside Tokararangi territory. That's Parata that picks it up and goes for a run. Over the 10-metre line. Goes to ground, gets the pass away here to Collins again. Back now to Parata. Parata pushes off one. Gets the pass back to Ria. Ria, the ball's ripped off it. Might have gone forward. No, says the referee. Play on. It's messy here. Penalty there. Played without the ball. Hikurangi go quickly through Parata. They're back 10 now. Takes it down inside the 22 here. Hikurangi on attack. They go down the blind side here. Somebody at the back's got their car lights on, and that's not helping things. Probably shining in these ladies' light in their eyes. Right on the line here, Hikurangi on attack. They give it up to Ngarimu. Driven out away from the line. Still there for the halfback. They need a halfback. Parata gives it out to, that's Haua Kahaki Ray. She's taken down 15 out in front of the post. It's still there for Hikurangi. They've got backs out wide. They send it out wide. That's Reihana Wiley sending it out again. Ria gets the pass away. They send it out to their winger. He'll go down the sideline, will she? In the corner here. She'll come around behind the post. There's the first points of the evening. Hikurangi will take a 5-0 lead. You see the replay here, those watching the Facebook. Some good hands here. Just drawn past them. Ria holds the tackle, draws in the player, and then gets the pass away. Quick hands out to the winger. And that's number 11, Moana. Goes around and gets the first points of the game. Coming up towards 20 minutes, I think up towards the 19-minute mark here at Kahuitara. It's quite dark in that corner, isn't it? I'll wait for the tee here. No tee. They're going to have to take a conversion attempt and they get a minute. It's a drop kick. Not going to have the distance. Score remains 5-0. Right. Tokararangi come back to get us underway again. Only 35-minute halves in these women's games. 5-0. Will be Babington getting it, Cheyenne Babington getting it to get us back underway. Grateful to our ambulance staff. The lights on and heading out of here. Straight down the middle here. It's picked up by Warsnop. Warsnop brings it back up the middle. Oh, that was a big tackle. High tackle, I think. Advantage goes out here. As they give it to Haua Kahaki Rei. She puts the boot to it. Referee still playing advantage here as it goes back over the Tokararangi 10-metre line. They'll come all the way back for no advantage. No advantage all the way back by the about, what's that, 6 metres outside Hikurangi 10-metre line. High shot. Felt that from where I'm standing. Scrum called here. Scrum down. Hikurangi opt for the scrum. Right out in the midfield here. About 16 metres inside their own half. Referee calls them in. They've got all their backs bar the winger right out to the far side. It's there for Collins. Collins out to Keelan Wiley. On the cut here with Parata. Parata back towards her forwards. Takes it down just shy of the 10-metre line. They come back to this near side. That's Ngarimu that straightens it up. Takes it down on the 10-metre line. Halfback in there looking for the ball now. Comes out to this near side to Hoa Kahaki Ray. She pushes off one. Over the top looking for the ball. No, it goes back to Collins. Collins gives it up to Parata. Parata, they're working it up towards the halfway here. 6 shy of the halfway as they go back out to Ngarimu, out to Parata. She puts the boot to it. Tracking back there is the number 12. That's Taniora, I think. They come across now to Ngata Airinga Mate, who puts a little chip in. Chase is getting back there. It's tapped back here by the right winger. I think that's Jason Keelan for Hikurangi. They set it up again. They go infield. Defence up quickly on Warsnop. Over the top here, trying to fight for the ball. It's picked up by Hikurangi, though. They take it forward. Again, flicked out quickly to Keelan Wiley. They put a little chip over the top. It's there at the back for Tokararangi as they go. I think that's Broughton. It's been passed over the line, though. It'll be a Hikurangi line-out throw. What's that? 5 metres shy, 4 metres shy of the halfway line on this near side of the field. Ngarimu to throw the ball in. Full line out called here. They go high. It's tapped down on the Tokararangi side. Now out to... Not straight. Oh, lost forward, sorry. Lost forward by Hikurangi. It'll be a Tokararangi scrum feed. Same pace, 4 metres shy of the halfway line or just inside Hikurangi territory. Referee calls them in. Ball in. It's at the back here for Mataira. So it's messy. Hikurangi come up with it. Been knocked on there by Tokararangi as Parata goes for a run up the middle. Hitting a good solid tackle there. The ball spills out the back here for Warsnop. Warsnop comes to this near sideline. Throws a pass over the top. Keelan has to wait for it. It might have been turned over here by Tokararangi as they fight to get it back infield. Mataira to Asianti, I think that is. Asiata, as she takes it into Hikurangi territory. Mataira, no, off their feet is the call. Straight off their feet against Tokararangi. There'll be a penalty here for Hikurangi. They call for a scrum. Scrum down. We're roughly where we started a couple of minutes ago. 4 metres inside Hikurangi territory. Scrum down on the 15-metre mark. Okay. We better organise some power because hopefully our power is working. As Parata comes down the sideline, gives it to Collins. She's pushed over the sideline though. Some good defence there by Tokararangi. Don't want to lose our live feed. We just want to make sure we're all powered up here. Line out here for Tokararangi. A couple of metres inside their own half. They go quickly. It's there for Asiata. Oh, it's been knocked forward by the number 7, Green, though. Referee will say no advantage. They'll go for a scrum. It'll be Hikurangi ball. Just inside Tokararangi territory. Referee Sean Murder calls them in. Be Ashanti Collins to feed the scrum. Ball in. They go out the back to the back line. They've put it up there towards the 10-metre line inside Tokararangi territory. Still there for Hikurangi as Parata goes on a strong run. She's taken in a good tackle. It's still there for Hikurangi as they go to the far side again. Keelan Wiley steps back infield. Might have been turned over there. Just got a little bit isolated. Tokararangi looking to go quickly. They look for touch here. And they're going to look for a touch on that far side of the field. They kick it down. It's not going to find touch. Yes, it has. Despite the effort there from a Hikurangi player to try and keep it in, it's found touch. About 16 metres inside Hikurangi territory, across on that far side of the field. Line out here, short line out. Just checking everything while we got a little bit of time here. Is that ball not straight? Free kick there to Hikurangi. They're going to take it's a free kick. They can't kick it out on the full. They can. They'll just give it away. They tap and go. Breakout here from Keelan Wiley up the middle of the park into Tokararangi territory. Warsnop takes it up towards the 22. Looking for quick ball here. They've got numbers out this near side. No, they go to the far side. That's Ngāri Now they've still got numbers here if they can shift it. The backs are calling for it. It's coming out now. Forwards don't want to send it though. Big numbers out wide here. They come out now. No, they put a kick in. Bounce is going to be interesting. It bounces out wide. Tokararangi getting back there. It's picked up here by a Hikurangi player. I think that's Collins who'll go around behind the post. Another try there. Watch the replay. As the ball came out of the ruck, all it needed was quick hands. Forwards took it forward again. And then this is Hauakahaki Rei with the kick into the 22. And then the bounce beating all of the players, but it bounces up kindly there for the fullback, able to race around behind the posts. Takes the score out to 10-0 with the kick to come. Not successful conversion there. Sorry, Whānau. I'm just doing a quick check of stuff here. Just want to make sure we're coming through nice and clear to everybody out there. So 10-0. Hikurangi take a lead after that try, or extend their lead. So hopefully not blowing everyone's eardrums with our broadcast. So it'll be Tokararangi to come back and get us underway. So we wind down towards half-time. Referee sole judge of time, of course. There was a big stoppage for an injury as Babington Ngirengiri gets us back underway. It's high. It's bounced backwards. Might have been a knock-on there by Hikurangi. Referee will award Tokararangi a scrum. Attacking scrum here for Tokararangi. Ball in, it's at the back for Asiata, but Mataira plucks it out. She gives it to Babington Ngirengiri. It's gone backwards. Tidied up there by the number 13 for Tokararangi. He gets the pass away to Babington Ngirengiri. Out to, I think that was Tani order. They straighten up the middle. They go out wide, It's gone into touch across that far side of the field. Crystal Asiata is the number 8 for Tokararangi. It's a defensive line out here for Hikurangi. Deep in their... no, it's an attacking line out, sorry. Come off a Hikurangi player. So it's an attacking line out for Tokararangi. They're inside the 22. Cross on their far side of the field. They go high at the front. It's tapped down on the Tokararangi side. Play on, says the referee. As Hikurangi come out of their 22 with it. High shot there from one of the Tokararangi players. They go blind. Number 17 on the park there for Hikurangi is Harrison, I think. Comes back now to, I think that's Heaney. But the penalty there, no advantage is the call. Parata, they tap and go. Runs it up, gives it back to, I think that was Narimu. Just outside their 22 here. They come back to this near side to Warsnop. Warsnop shows a long pass over the top to Rhea. She did well to pluck that in, gets the pass away to Keelan Wiley. They come down this near side through Keelan. Back infield to Rhea. She goes to ground just shy of her 10-metre line. It's there for Collins. They go open to Parata. Parata brings it up over the 10-metre line. Good tackle on her there by the Tokararangi defence. They go out now to Narimu. Narimu at first receiver. Takes it to ground just inside her 10-metre line. They pick and go. And they're gaining a couple of metres there. They come back to this near side. I think that's Karakilan with the ball. They go back through the halfback out to, that's Haua Kahaki Rei. Little chip over the top there from Parata. It's bounced up by the 10-metre line inside Tokararangi territory. Still going backwards. Towed ahead, but it's gone out on the full, I think. Towed ahead by a Hikurangi player. It'll be a Tokararangi line out. They are roughly midway between their own 10-metre and 22. Cross on their far side of the field. We can't be too far away from half-time here. Referee sets the line out. It's a short line out called here. By Tokararangi, they go to the front. It's tapped down. Your guess is as good as mine as what's happened, and it's been knocked on, says the referee. It'll be a Tokararangi scrum feed. You know, light beaming down here on the Facebook footage. Beam me up, Scotty. So we're winding down to half-time here at Kahuitara. That wind is spinning around. It was blowing from the west before. Northwest is a bit more north now. So we wait for the scrum to set roughly midway 10-metre 22 inside Tokararangi territory. Defensive scrum feed here when we reset. Referee not happy. Calls them back. Of course, there's another game going on. It might be clashing with everybody. As the ball goes in, but it's gone straight to ground. 19-0, the Chiefs lead the Highlanders. The game on TV. No other games to update, but I can bring you that score as we wait for the scrum to reset. Of course, this final round of Super Rugby having so much to play for. Top 6 could change the round. Well, the bottom's the 6th team. There's 3 teams vying for 6th place. The other ones, the positions could change. So everything to play for. Crusaders, the Chiefs looking to lock in the #1 spot with a bonus point over the Highlanders tonight. Still waiting for the scrum to set here. Scrum down, midway 10-metre 22 inside Tokararangi territory. Ball in, Babington getting it, it goes blind, but the pass goes behind her. Back there is the halfback scrambling, the winger scrambling for Hikurangi defence comes through quickly. Referee's got a penalty though against them. Tokararangi go deep back into their 22 after that mistake there. First 5 went blind and the pass just went straight behind it. Badminton getting with the ball now. She'll tap it. I think that's half time. That's half time here at Kahuitara. Score at half time. Hikurangi lead 10 points to 0 over Tokararangi in this Ngāti Pro East Coast Women's Club Rugby game. Kindly brought to you by Troy Wheeler Contracting Limited, Te Runanga Nui o Ngāti Pro. And Mackay Cartage will take a break. Be back with your second half shortly. Tēnā tātou e te whānau, nau mai hoki mai. Just about to get back underway here at Kahuitara. Second half, kindly brought to you by Troy Wheeler Contracting Limited. Te Runanga Nui o Ngāti Porou. And of course, Mackay Cartage Limited. Bringing you this coverage live from Kahuitara tonight. I'm just going to stop and get our times all reset. About to get underway here. Second half, 35 minutes of rugby coming at your women's MPEC Enterprise Cars Club Rugby competition as that kick goes high, it bounces. Picked up there by Warsnop, I think it was. Looking to drive it forward up towards their own 10-metre line here, Hikurangi. Hopefully we should be coming loud and clear on the radio as well. It's might have been turned over here. It has. Ooh, referee's got a penalty though. Turned over illegally. Penalty here is Hikurangi take the quick tap from their own 10 metres away from their 10-metre line. Now they bring it over their 10-metre line. 5 shy of the halfway, they come out to Warsnop. Warsnop hit it in a good tackle, driven backwards towards the 10-metre line. It's there for, I think there was Keelan playing halfback. No, that was the number 8, Parata. They're still 7 shy of the halfway here. They come back open to Ngarimu. Got some big tackles going in here. They come out now to, there's Ngarimu's out there. It's Katz Ngarimu. Takes it towards the halfway, about 7 shy of the halfway. Pick and go here from Ria. Over the halfway now. It might have been lost forward there. Little knock on at the breakdown will give Tokararangi a scrum feed. 1.5 metres inside their own half. Get to take a breath. That fast-paced restart. Wind has stopped here. So, looks like number 15 there is Kalani Broughton, who's come into halfback. Waiting for the scrum to set here. Can see Babbington getting it. He just shifted position across to this near side as Asiata picks it up and goes for a run. The number 8 here up over the halfway. Little knock on though, says the referee. They'll come back for a scrum feed. I think when she went to pick it up there. Little knock on. A scrum down here. 5 metres inside Tokararangi territory, right out in the middle of the park. As we just wait here for the scrum to set. Ball in there from Collins. For Te Hikurangi, they go out to Ngarimu at first receiver now. She goes for a run up towards the Tokararangi 10-metre line. Still going, bounces out of one tackle. Goes to ground on the 10-metre line there, and that's picked up by Parata. Parata go for a run, gets a pass away. That's Ngarimu again. She must have got a pass away in that phase there. Is the Hikurangi still with it now, just outside the 22. They're driven backwards though. Inside Tokararangi territory to get the pass here to, I think that's Henny. Good run there, might have been a high tackle there. Referee's playing advantage. She's 5 out from the line. Hikurangi on attack. Referee still playing advantage here. No advantage. They'll go back for the penalty. I think it was over the shoulder tackle. High tackle. Just check my man has pressed record. Scooter. Recording. We are now. Penalty here, 15 out from the line. They tap and go. Parata has a go herself. Does she? No, she gets it away to Kahaki. Ohaua Kahaki Rei. Under the post here. Can she get it down? No, just shy of the line. Another pick and go here from Hikurangi. Can they get it down? Over the line they go. What's the referee say? Held up, I think. It went over the top of a Tokararangi player. I think it's held up. It'll be a goal line dropout. Of course, when the ref can't see you, just shout and say, yeah, try. It's in the dark. The referee, he reckons, no, it was held up. Goal line dropout. Goes back towards the 10-metre line. Picked up there by Keelan. That's Jason Keelan across on the far side. I wonder if she's got her namesake's pace. Hikurangi, they get, little knock-on in there. It'll be a, as they look to try and scramble the ball backwards there, a little knock-on. It'll give Tokararangi the ball 5 metres out from their 10-metre line. If you've just joined us, the score is still 10-0. Hikurangi lead after 2 unconverted tries in that first half. Midfield scrum here, right out in the middle of the park. Probably a bit closer to that far sideline in the middle, but Tokararangi scrum feed. Wait for the scrum to set here. Referee calls them in. Ball in, it's at the back here for Mataira. Gives it out now. They spin it through the hands to Babington getting it here. She's going to put the boot to it. Bouncing end over end. It'll find touch about 5 metres inside Hikurangi territory on this near side of the park. It'll be a Hikurangi line-out throw. About 4 metres shy of the halfway line. Full line out called here. No, 6-woman line out called by Hikurangi. Tokararangi only put a couple up. They go to the front, taken down there by Heaney. Oh, a little knock on. Is looking for advantage there. Penalty here. Offside is the call. Playing the ball in an offside position. So this is a penalty here to Tokararangi just inside Hikurangi's 10-metre line. Babington getting it. It looks like she's going to kick it for touch. Down this near side of the park, she's going to look for touch. Good touch finder up near the 22, just outside the 22. Tokararangi will swing on to attack. I think that's Ngata Airinga Mate with the throw. They go to Lau in the front. They spin it out wide, out to Babington getting it. She's looking for runners, puts a little chip in. It's bouncing end over end. It bounces kindly for the fullback across there. Oh, a bit of space down that sideline goes. I think that was Collins. Autumn Collins across there. The referee's got a penalty though against Hikurangi not releasing the ball. Penalty here to Tokararangi. They'll kick it for touch. They were inside the 22. They've kicked for touch. This one here about 15 out from the corner flag. Be a Tokararangi attacking line out. If they can win this pilt, they go high. It's tapped down on their side. Picked up here by Hikurangi though. It's tapped backwards. As I think that's Keelan Wiley. No, might be that took the ball forward. No, it was Parata. Up to, that's another Parata with the ball now. Out of the 22 come Hikurangi. Taken down 5 out or 10 out from the 10-metre line. They drive it forward again. Hard to see in these night games. Get the lights in the eyes. Can't see. Comes back infield here to Keelan Wiley. She's taken midway 10 metre 22. Might have been turned over here as it comes back to Ngere on the Tokararangi side. She puts a little kick in. Back there underneath it is on the wing as it's knocked backwards, I think. Is Tokararangi are penalised for going off their feet there. Brave under the high ball from the winger there for Hikurangi. I think that was Moana. They're going to look for touch here. And that's Narimu with the kicking duties. Sends it safely into touch, up by the 22. Hikurangi will retain the line-out throw. Sub here for Tokararangi. So line out here for Hikurangi, defensive line out. They go high at the front. Oh, beautifully taken up the front of the line out. Out now to Keelan Wiley. She has a bit of a stutter step. Little knock on in there though, says the referee. We'll have a attacking scrum here for Tokararangi. Midfield attacking scrum. Right out in the middle of the park, they are roughly, what's that? They're just outside the Hikurangi 22. Stoppage here for an injured player. Good crowd here at Kahuitara tonight. Stoppage and play here for an injured player. Oh, didn't press stop on the old time. We'll press stop. Got to remember to press start again though is the is the main thing. Injury here to a Tokararangi player. It's the first ever night game for women's rugby on the coast. Great crowd here at Kahuitara. An injured player is back to their feet. Is that a number 5? I think the number 5 says Chris Laulau on the team sheet. So replacement coming here for Tokararangi. So stoppage and play, about to get back underway here, whānau. Apologies. Just having a tutu with our drone while we're flying around up here. Oh, we're waiting for the restart. Referee signals time back on. That's my signal to put the clock back on. About to get back underway here. An attacking scrum for Tokararangi. Couple of metres outside Hikurangi's 22. They're in the midfield. Bit of a blind here should they want to use it. Big shunt there from Hikurangi. It's at the back though. They come blind. Out to the right winger. Down the sideline she goes. Oh, bowling a couple of players with it. Sets it up just outside the 22. It's there. They spin it wide into the midfield. That number 18 is, says Pahuru Hovel, but I don't think that was her. They come back to this near side. Little dummy here, out to the right winger. That's Lisa Luke, taking in a good tackle. They're about 10 out from the corner here. Might be a bit closer. They go back infield. Drive up the middle there by number 4, Anna Edwards. It's there for Tokararangi. They're 10 out. They go infield. Pass up here to Green. She sets it up. They're about 7 out in front of the post now. Tokararangi come back to this near side. I think that's Kahaki. On attack here. Oh, they get the pass out to Luke down the sideline. She'll get a 5-pointer here for Tokararangi. We'll see if the replay, she's pretty happy with her efforts there. The replay picks it up as they worked it infield. Some new players on the park here. Just give us a bit of time to try and get their surnames sorted. They came back to this near side. The number 18 there says Pahuru. And then quick hands to come out wide, and some nice work here by the number 20, who I think is, says Kayla Wano on the team sheet, but I'm not sure if that was Takura Ngata Airenga Mate. Scored now 10 points to 5 with the kick to come. It'll be Babington getting it to take the extra points, or to attempt the extra points. She's 5 meters in from touch. She's right on the 22. She lines it up. She doesn't take much of a step back. Comes in. It's got the height, the accuracy, just not the distance. It falls short. Score remains 10 points to 5. They'll have a restart as soon as Hikurangi get back to halfway. 10 points to 5 if you've just joined us on Te Reo Irirangi o Ngāti Porou. High kick there, bounces about 15 metres inside Tokararangi territory. It's been kicked forward straight into a Hikurangi player. It's gone backwards now, and now it's gone off a Hiku player. Referee was playing advantage. He'll say no advantage. They'll go back for a loss forward, I think is the call. There'll be a scrum restart. It's about to reset here. The referee will restart with a scrum. We're about 5 metres inside Tokararangi territory, cross on that far side of the field. Referee just having a word to the front rows here. So mihi to whoever it was, that wonderful person that sent the coffees over here for me and the bro. Big mihi. Much appreciated. As we wait for the scrum to set, they're down now. Ball in. Good shunt there from Hikurangi. It's at the back for Airenga Mate. Ngata Airenga Mate. They put the boot to it here. Underneath it is Collins, though. It's gone through her hands, gone backwards. She regathers it, though. Comes up the middle in a bit of space. She goes up over the 10 metre, over the halfway. What a run. Taken down just shy of the 10 metre line here. It's still there for Hikurangi. They pick up off the back of the ruck here. They drive it forward. Looking in there for the ball is the halfback. No, the forwards take it again. Midway 10 metre 22 inside Tokararangi territory here. There's a stoppage, little knock on in there. You get the feeling this game could go either way. It's still locked here. Pretty close, 10-5 at the moment. Scrum down right out in the middle of the field. It's about 7 or 8 metres outside Tokararangi's 22. It's a Tokararangi defensive scrum. Feed ref has blown the scrum up again. Ball in. Big shunt there from Hikurangi, but it's gone out the back here to Babington getting it. She puts the boot to it. Down that far sideline. Good touch finder there from inside her 22, but it'll be a Hikurangi line-out throw. inside their own half by about 7 metres by the looks of things. A good clearing kick there from Babington getting it. Hikurangi line out throw. They call all of their forwards in by the looks of things. Full line out. We've had about 18 minutes go in the second half as it's taken down on the Hikurangi side. They give it out to Narimu. Narimu looking for runners. Oh, good cut there by Parata. Up over the halfway, still on her feet now, dragging it towards the 10-metre line. It's been ripped off her though. Tokararangi come up with it. They go down that far side. Defence holding them just inside the 10-metre line here. Might have been knocked on though. Referee says it'll be a scrum feed. Hikurangi ball. I think Facebook is the best place to try and watch the coverage, and they'll just call it off the screen, I think, because once it goes across the other side of the field, I don't know if I'm getting carpool or whether it's just the... I might be getting carpool. I don't know. I can see my rod tip when it's bending and it's going twitch at night from quite a distance. So I'm not sure if I'm carpool, but penalty here to Tokararangi. Referee says to driving in, I think is the call. Early push or not waiting for the set. There's an infringement by Hikurangi at the scrum. Penalty here to Tokararangi, 9 metres shy of the halfway line. Babington getting it. We'll look for touch down that far side of the field. Good touch finder again. Takes play up. Midway, 10 metre 22. Roughly midway between Hikurangi's 10 metre and their 22 line. They go quickly at the front, does Tokararangi. They pop it down, quickly out to the backs. It's bounced backwards. They come out to Babington getting it. She's looking for runners, puts the boot to it. Bouncing outside for the winger here. Luke chasing. Oh, Collins with a good pickup from Hikurangi. Referee was playing advantage though. He's going right back to where that ball was kicked from. Or where that ruck started, I should say. Where that line out was. Penalty to Tokararangi. Babington getting it. He's going to look for touch down that far side, is she? No, she's going to tap and go. She comes open. They drive it up the middle. Good defence there from Hikurangi. They come back out though. They drive it forward, does Tokararangi. The referee's got a penalty. Isolated player there. Not releasing the ball. They tap and go quickly. Might be knocked back 10. Another penalty here to Hikurangi. Oh, is this a card? There's a card coming. Who's the carded player? Number 21, Kelly Brock, I think. Cynical foul. Kapai, kapai. I hope those other refs are watching those. I see a few of those in club rugby. Send them off. More in the men's game than the women's games, though, so hope these other refs are watching. Don't be shy. Speed the game up. Here we go, scrum in the middle of the park. Tokararangi down to 14 players for the next 10 minutes. What's happening here? Number 22 is being subbed, I think. Substitution there. It's number 22 goes off. I didn't have a number 22 on my team sheet, so I can't tell you who that was. But we're about to restart with a scrum in the middle of the park. Hikurangi ball. Roughly midway between their own 10 metre and 22. Collins to feed the scrum, ball in. It's at the back there for Collins. She gives it out to Keelan Wild. No, that's Ngarimu going back to the blind side. Ngarimu in a bit of space. Might have lost the ball there. What's the referee say? No, it's still there for Hikurangi. as Parata straightens up and goes towards the halfway, takes it down just inside Tokararangi territory. They spin it out to Narimu again. Narimu out to Keelan Wiley. Long pass out over the top to Ria. Ria gets the pass away to Collins. Collins out to Moana. No, sorry, that's that might be Sykes Martin on there in number 16. For Hikurangi, they go back infield. Keelan Wiley gets it to Narimu. Narimu up the middle towards the 22. Still going is Narimu. Narimu shall go around, will she? Referee's playing advantage though. Penalty advantage here to Hikurangi. They're 5 out from the Tokararangi line. It's still there. They get the pass away now. Back to, I think that's Katz. Narimu shall go in close. Just short. They dig in here. They spin it out wide. They've got numbers here. Oh, it's a big tackle out wide. Referee's playing advantage. Might be another high shot. Hikurangi still with the ball here, driving at the line. It's there at the back of the ruck, is it? No, they go again. Just short, right in front of the referee. He's playing advantage for a penalty, though. It goes back. Out 5. Is he reaching for his card again? Is there another card here for Tokararangi? They'll go down to 13 players. It is. I'm not sure who that is. Number 14 is Liza Luke heading to the bin for 10 minutes. So Tokararangi down to 13 players. They're going to tap this and run it as Hikurangi. Referee says time back on. They tap and go. Just shy of the line here. Another drive coming from off the base of the ruck. Right on the line. Referee's right there. It's all happening in front of him. They spin and come blind. Still there for Hikurangi. Another pick and go. You can tell that ball's not going to go far from the forwards. Another drive at the line. It's there at the back again. Another pick and go. Can they get it down? Held up might be the call here. The hand's not going up. This will be an in-line restart, I think. Penalty here against Hikurangi. This will allow Tokararangi to clear. Down to 13 players, though. It'll be about 6 or 7 minutes before they get one back. As Babbington getting it, he pushes play up towards the 22. With that kick for touch, it'll be a Tokararangi line-out throw. 10-5. You get the feeling this game is teetering on the edge. The next team to score could win. Ball in. Down on the Tokararangi side. They go infield. Nice hands there. Out to Babbington getting it in now. Has a look at her options. Sends it out the back to the fullback. It's Mataira driving it up over the 22. Might have been isolated there. What's the call? No, says the referee. Penalty here to Tokararangi. Babbington getting it here. We'll look for touch just outside the 22. She'll kick for touch on their far side of the field. Sends it up towards the halfway. Oh, try a valiant effort to try and keep it in. They have kept it in. Hikurangi keep it in there. They come back infield. Oh, good run here. I think Tokararangi were caught napping. Penalty, though, just got isolated. That number 14 for Hikurangi with a great run. I think that was the Awhina chase. Tokararangi call for a scrum, though. Penalty in the midfield. They're roughly 10 out from the 10-metre line. I'll be give or take a couple more. As referee is sole judge of time. We only got ours up as a guide. So scrum down. Tokararangi call for the scrum option off the penalty. Chance to split the back line here. There is a blind. They are down to 13 players, you must remember. Penalty here against Hikurangi though. Another penalty. They tap and go. Te Kura Arenga Mate comes blind. Gives it to Babington Ngere. She's going to put the boot to it. There's nobody at home here. It's going to go out on the full. Out on the full. They'll come back for a line out. Hikama Momo time of these white barriers. Everyone just climbs over them and goes out on the sideline. Line out here for Hikurangi. They're just outside Tokararangi's 10-metre line. They go high. Tapped down by Tokararangi. It's going to go out. It'll be a Hikurangi line-out throw again. Roughly right where it was. No. Oh. They go quickly this time. Down to Collins. Out now to Naremu. Naremu looking for runners. Puts a little chip in. It's towed ahead by a Tokararangi player. Thrown backwards to one of the... I think that was Chase, was it? No, that's number 16 for Hikurangi. They go Tokararangi trying to run it out of their 22 now. Across the far side, they put the boot to it. It's back to the halfway. Good take there by Collins. She puts it high. Bit of a kicking duel going on here as it bounces backwards for that far winger on the Tokararangi team. She brings it back infield. They set it up here. The halfback looking for a receiver. It's gone backwards for Babington, getting it here. Back towards her 22. She goes for a run across the field, puts the boot to it. Collins is back there. Collins clears it over the 10-metre line. Gets the pass away now to the number 16 for Hikurangi is Jason Keelan. They put the chip through. It's picked up here by Tokararangi by Mataira. Pressure on her though. Clearing ball there from Tokararangi into touch. Attacking line out coming here for Hikurangi. Looks like Tokararangi will get back to 14 players. And Kelly Brock coming on. So they'll get back to 14 for another couple of minutes. They're waiting for the line out here. Waiting for the Sinbin player before they can do the line out. Tokararangi back to 14. Line out to come, attacking line out. They're about 10, 15 out from the corner flag. They go high. Referee says no, he's not even watching. We'll have this again. We've got the line out forming again. One of the issues are we've got too many refs trying to tell a ref what to do. Turi. We'll give it a go. Go get the whistle. Taken down by Parata there at the front. They set up the maul here. They got it driving forward. They're 15 out though. 10, might be 10 out. Still got it at the back here. It's gone to ground. What's the ref say? It's at the back here for Collins. Collins gives a pass out. Parata has to wait for it. Parata straightens up, goes to ground. She's about 7 out from the line. Collins gives it up to one of her forwards to drive it. They're held up just short of the line here. It's still at the back here. Collins has a drive herself. Driven backwards. Another pick and go here from Parata. Parata, oh, beautiful. Try is given. Getting dark in their corner, but the try is given. You can see here as Hikurangi worked it through the forwards a couple of metres out, and you watch for the captain, the number 8, to get in there on this next play. There she is. Well, here she comes now. Gets over the top of the ball and then just has a go. That'll take the score out to 15-5. As it's, I think that's Collins with the kicking duties. Nobody's giving her a tee. These poor ladies, nobody wants to take a tee out there. So he has to make a valiant attempt with a drop goal. Not successful. Unsuccessful conversion attempt. Score remains 15-5. So waiting for the restart here. 15-5 if you've just joined us on Te Reo Irirangi o Ngāti Porou. 3 unconverted tries to 1. About to get back underway here. It's Babington Ngere has the ball. Sends it high, back towards the 22. It's taken there by, I think that was Heaney. Heaney, good run here up the middle towards the halfway. Nobody wanted to tackle it. Takes it down just shy of the halfway. They come out to Hauakahaki Ray, who puts it down the middle of the park. Back there is Mataida. Mataida, she's about 5 out from her line now. Black jersey's coming at her. She straightens up the middle. Might have been a high shot there. You have to give her points for bravery. She didn't flinch. She took it straight forward. Looking to go quickly here. They tap it. Taniora throws backfield, infield. It's gone backwards. Play on, says the referee. Play to the whistle, ladies. Might have been turned over here. It has been by Hikurangi. They tap and go quickly. Looking to catch them offside is Keelan Wiley. Ball goes out wide now, back infield. They're only a couple of metres out from the line here. Hikurangi looking to cement the win here if they can score again. That's Parata right on the line. Recycling, they have another go. It's been knocked out of their hands. Picked up here by Babington. Getting it, a referee has got them offside though. Offside against Tokararangi. It looked like they were going to go the length of the field. Their whistle hadn't gone. Scrum called. Be an attacking scrum here for Hikurangi. 5 metres attacking scrum. They look to be about 15, might be a bit more than 15 metres in from their far side of touch. Opportunity here for pick and go blind from the number 8. The referee calls them in. Penalty against Hikurangi going too early though. They'll lose that opportunity at an attacking play off the back of the scrum. They tap and go quickly, does Tokararangi out to Babington Ngere. Babington Ngere has a go, puts the boot to it now. Underneath it is Collins. Oh, she's lost it forward. Referee says play on. No, he doesn't. No advantage. They'll come back. Now that's number 16. In the book it says number 16 says Te Awhina Chase. No, it says Jason Keelan for Hikurangi, but that's Taylor Sykes-Martin that's wearing number 16. I think. Hey, is that Taylor? So scrum here, about 12 metres inside Tokararangi territory. They're 5 metres in from this near side of touch. As we wind down towards full time here. 15-5, Hikurangi lead in this historic clash here at Kahuitara. Chip over the top here from Babington getting it. It's picked up by Parata. Gives it back to Collins on her 10 metre. Collins going for a run. Throws a nice pass out. They work it up over the halfway here to Hikurangi. Get the pass back infield. Still going. Taken down 8 metres inside Tokararangi territory. It's there at the back of the ruck. Picked up here by one of the forwards, but the referee says it was lost forward, and that's full time here at Kahui Tara. Hikurangi will take the W, 15 points to 5 in this first ever Ngāti Pro East Coast Enterprise Cars Women's Club Rugby Competition night game. That's Friday night football for us, whānau. We'll take a break off the Facebook page. That's the end of the live stream.